Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Australia Towbars and Performance. In front of us, we have the pleasure of this brand new 2020 Mercedes GLS. And this gentleman had called us up looking to get a Towbar wiring harness and electric trailer brake controllers supplied and fitted to his new GLS. Now, after contacting Mercedes and a number of other Towbar fitters, he was told that they didn't make a Towbar for this new GLS yet. Now, we had found a beautiful Westfalia invisible and detachable Towbar, which we fitted to his vehicle, and as you can see, works seamlessly when installed. So I wanted to share what we're doing here at Australia Towbars and Performance, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team. We are happy to help. Thank you for watching. You guys have a good night.